place smells like velvet and old cologne. One candle slumps in a dented brass cone. The clock keeps flashing that same dumb grin, like it knows who's stuck.
Ева, к тебе.
Lets them in. Don't stare too hard at the polished stage. It's already been booked through the age.
Ева, к тебе летит. Опа! Ева, смотри, к тебе. Лови его.
It's stuck on the clock's chipped rim. This whole room sealed with a second deadbolt. The brass-faced ushers crowd close for the set, dragging that midnight they lugged up from below. The wash has gone dull, and the stage is half empty, but we'll ride out the ending. They